Yo, what's up YouTube? CBR Tech Reviews here, back again with another video. And today I want to talk about the experience I have with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now, my Galaxy Fold is currently at a Samsung repair center in Plano, Texas. And the reason I sent it back for repair is because I started having squiggly lines in the display, actually under the display. It's not you can't feel it or anything, but if you tilt it to the light, you'll see it. And for all you folks that watch Jerry Riggs, Jerry Riggs Everything Photo is not one of them where you press down and it stays there. So keep that in mind. Anyways, the lines were about an inch, inch and a half long, about an inch below the front facing camera. It was in the crease and around where the border is, where they sealed it off or where they capped it off. So I'm not sure if I got a defective display or what the issue is, but I started noticing it a few days after I started using it, and the lines just started getting bigger and bigger, more and more. So I contacted Samsung. They did send me a box from UPS overnight, and I sent it in for repair. Now, here's the strange thing. The technician who actually evaluated my device actually called me and asked me why I sent it in for repair. So he had no clue why I sent it in. And after about an hour or two, they came back with a resolution saying, hey, this is not covered under warranty. It's because it's physical damage. I mean, physical damage. I barely even used the phone. How can it be physically damaged? I don't have nails. As you can see, no nails. I don't use S Pens on my devices. My pockets are always clean when I put it in my devices. So how can I physically damage this device? Not possible. So after calls and calls and calls back to customer service, they want me to pay $149 for the one-time charge of a screen repair. And that will be it for the life of the device. And there's no way. I'm not paying you $149. Y'all better reevaluate this device. So after calling back about 3 or 4 times, I finally got a good representative who actually understood what I was talking about, and she granted me a one-time I guess customer service satisfaction, saying they will repair my device under warranty and there's no charge to me, and I will still have my one-time Premier Care for my LCD breakage if I ever break it for $149 within that first year. So that is good on them because, as you know, I haven't broken that device. I haven't touched that device with my my nails or anything. So it's good on y'all, Samsung. I will still buy your devices. And the reason she says they will grant me that no charges because I am a value customer, yada yada yada. I only have about 25 or 30 phones under my Samsung account, so I mean, it is what it is. But I feel like if anyone has an issue with their Galaxy Fold, with like this same situation that I explained, call them up. All you can do is call them up, send it in, let them see what it is. But I promise you, they're probably going to tell you the same thing. It is normal wear and tear, or it is damaged by the customer, which is BS. So anyways, I just wanted to make a video, let you guys know. Samsung Galaxy Fold. I do not know whether this phone will make the 1 year mark. If it had these issues I've had within the first 2 or 3 weeks, I don't know how it's going to be in 1 year, since you can't put screen protectors or anything on this device and not water and dust resistance. So hopefully on the next one, you'll make it better. This device here, I guess it won't be my main daily driver. After I get done using it, I'll either sell it or put it on my bookshelf. I don't know. So anyways, peace.